do that again.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in Van Nuys and we're checking out We Want Tacos.
And I don't mean the Lakers. Anyway, so this spot right here, they got tons of tacos.
Tacos for days.
A lot of flavors in these tacos, man. So come check this out with us, because we're about to try them for you. Let's do this.
We want tacos. We want tacos. We want tacos.
Guess where we're at today?
We're at We Want Tacos over here in Van Nuys.
We got overwhelming amounts of tacos, which is a really good thing.
Tacos for days.
It looks so good.
And they got some tacos here that are going to be in the menu starting in March. So we're going to give you the inside tip on it right now. So
They even got a fried chicken taco. I've never had that before. And it looks amazing. So let's name these off.
All right, so there's fried chicken taco, jerk chicken, El Pastor.
And salsa. And their guac here is amazing.
Oh yeah, it is. And then they got this right here. It's their fish taco. It's tilapia. They got some guac all over. That guac is fire.
So they also have vegetarian-friendly menus. You know, you can come out here and pick out some off the menu for everybody. Even if you're not eating meat, straight up just vegetarian, they got it over here.
They got a jackfruit taco.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't had jackfruit is bomb. You guys will love it.
Yeah. So the vegetarian options is a go over here. You guys got to come check this place out. But we're gonna go ahead and dig into some of this. Lovely tacos.
I want to hit up this jerk chicken taco first.
He's in a Jamaican mood today, bro.
So they put
mango
salsa on top. Look at this. This is pretty.
I'll take this off.
Makes you want to take a picture. Put it on Instagram. If you do, tag them, all right? That mango salsa, fire. So, it's a little spicy, but that mango salsa kind of cools it down. Dude, this is good.
So Al Pastor is really good. Seasoned really well. Meat tender. So good.
Those are so good. Not even lying.
My jerk chicken is flavored.
Yeah.
Really, really good. I have to take my fingers off.
I want to try this El Pastor. Oh, that's so good. And this one has pineapple too. Oh, that's bomb.
So, and if you come out here on Tuesdays, all their tacos, etc., the specialties tacos are $1.25. $1.25.
And make sure when you walk up to the window, you gotta chant, "We want tacos! We want tacos!" Oh man, this fried chicken taco. So this is coming on the menu in March. This video's probably dropping in March. That's what's up.
That sweet chili is on point.
This is so good.
I like that.
This is good.
I like that a lot. That's so good.
And this is like a sleeper right here. Like, if you guys haven't been to this spot, you guys are gonna be surprised.
So the fried chicken here is almost like Korean fried style. You know, it's got like that double fried to it. Yep. Really, really good. Where like the outside is extra crispy, but then you get that juicy like chicken flavor from the inside, and then that sweet chili sauce, bro, is money. Money. I'm telling you, man. You guys gotta try this. It's just money.
Oh man.
This is a jackfruit.
And if you're vegan, this is their jackfruit taco. Oh, fire! Fuck. That's going on the bloopers. No worries. By the way, be careful with food. Sometimes it's hot.
Yeah, I don't doubt it. That it's not good. But I seen you burnt yourself, bro. I'm not trying to burn myself right now.
Sometimes filming food is hazardous. Oh yeah, that's good. It's sweet. And also a little spicy at the same time.
Got money. Even just this on the inside, I could eat this with like some chips and dip it in there. Dude, money. So good. I'm gonna get another bite of this.
I'm gonna dig into this right here. This is their fried fish taco. It's been sitting here for a couple minutes, so I'm not gonna burn my tongue anymore. Oh man,
Oh my bad, dude.
that's fluffy. That's so good. And their tacos here are good sizes.
Yeah, dude. So most places you go to that give you like you get the fish tacos, they don't give you this massive size of a fish, dude. Like
They give
this
you,
right
like,
here,
little piece.
this right here covers the whole tortilla, man. It's money.
They're not skimpy with their sizes here, so you should check them out. You're gonna be really satisfied once you check it out. Try that fried chicken. That fried chicken taco, the jerk chicken. Actually, try them all, dude. Try them all. Every single one. Just do a sampling.
Come out here Tuesday, $1.25. You can try some of these out for $1.25.
We want tacos.
So you can come out here on Tuesday. Like some of their tacos will be reduced down to $1.25. Some will be like $2 around that area. Dude, where you gonna find prices like that?
Right?
I paid $5 for a taco one time. It wasn't as good as this. They got an app. You can go check that app out. What?
Cafe.
So if you go, is it both in Google and Apple as well?
Apple. Yes,
Alright. So if you go into your Play Store and you look for an app, you download the app called Fresh Bites, and you look up We Want Tacos. They got all the stuff in there listed. You can come check it out.
And we're also gonna put in the information in the description below, so
Yep.
that way you can check it out yourself. You can check out their app. You can check out their menu. Check out their place. Let them know we sent you. Also, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell notification so that way you can watch more videos just like this one. What else do they got to do, Sonny?
And pro tip: when you come here, there's parking on the back.
Yeah,
All right.
back.
Just to let you know. But make sure you share this with your family and friends,
Because they'll love it.
and we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.